are there in this factory?
Quick. There's the two real obvious ones. We have core manufacturing and we have unit assembly. Core manufacturing is where you saw like the machine tools and where they're making parts, and then they take those and they build what we call the core, which is the aerodynamic components and the gearboxes. And then unit assembly is where they take the core and then they put the rest of the machine around it, so the oil system, the electronic controls, the piping, and all that. Additionally,
Alice Copco, they have like so many places and departments around the entire world, and many places and areas that are all joined together for the main purpose of making the world a better and easier place to live in.
About the education you need to get a job about manufacturing.
I would like to learn more about what goes into the process. Even though we went pretty deep into that, I would like to learn what it takes